Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's Sunday, last Sunday of the year. In this weekend edition of Saturday Sunday, December the 28th, December the 29th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles in the additional. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. In the evening, we have one puzzle left, the regular puzzle, Samurai Sudoku. It will take me more than an hour to solve that puzzle. So, let me start with this one first. The 3 Star Sudoku number 9808. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. That's a lot. That's a lot. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then, let me see. One of the missing number in this column is the number 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here or there in this column. Here or there, we see another 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8. How about... the 3 there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only place level 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4. Oh, 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have 4 and 7 in this big square, so no 4 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1. 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. 1, 1. One of the missing number in this column is the number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Let me mark those. Well, we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes and there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2, 2, 9, 9. And the 4 here. Come on. 9, need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, The 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 6, and the 9. 2, 6, and 9. Yeah. Come on. Need a 4 here. That means in this column we need a 4 there. Okay. In this column we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 4. Well, here can be 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the only 2 places left in the first column for the number 4 should be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Okay, 2, 3, and then need a 6 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes, disappear. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. 2 or 3. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 3. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. Alright, now, 1, 1. 1, 1, okay. 3, 3, and 3 there. 3, 3, 3, 3. Come on. Need a 7 here. I'm thinking. Come on. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 2 here. Yeah, 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row between. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 8, and a 9. Yeah. Come on. Why it's taking too long? 8, 8. Need a 5. Need a 7. 2, 2. 9, 9. Must be a hidden number here. Need a 7 here. I need a 9 there. I need a 9 here. 3, 4. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left with 3 could be here, could be there. And then 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between the only two places left are 4, could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only two places left are 4, could be here, could be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only two places left for the 3, could be here, could be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only two places left are 8, could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 3 places left on the line should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there. 9. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 in those 2 boxes, so the 9 could be here, could be there then. Come on, this is taking too long. This is taking too long. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between only two places level 7. Could be here, could be there. How about the 6? No. 6. 6. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in this column, third column 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places level 6. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a pair. So these 2 missing numbers should be the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. Okay, we have a pair. 9, 6. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there then. Well, still no numbers. 12 minutes already passed. Still thinking. Must be a hidden number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need the 6 here. 3. How about here? Where is the hidden number? The hidden number must be a hidden number here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5, 6, 7. That's the 8. Need a 5 and a 3. Come on, come on. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we got you. This is the hidden number. Should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be 8, can be 9. Yes, definitely a 1. We got you. 1 and 8 in this row, 1 and 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So this can be a 1 anymore. 1 and a 6, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 9 and So 2 numbers left in the, well, we have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column that only plays level 8 should be there. So 1 box left in the last column, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9 in this row, 9 in third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 9 should be here. So the other 2 should be the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6, okay. Need a 9 here. Need a 5 here. Okay. 7 and a 5. I need a 7 here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. From the first row, the only 2 places level 7. Could be here, could be there. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, we have a 2 here. We have a 2 there. That means in this row, we need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Here, give me 2. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. Here, give me 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. The only place level 2 should be here then. So 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. And we have a pair here. Here, 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Here we have 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. So this box can be 6 anymore then. 2 and a 6. No, we have a pair. 3 and a 6. So here should be the 2. That box should be a 6. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 in the first row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. Eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left here. The 7 and the 5. I need a 5 here. 7 and a 5. And look. We have a pair here, 7 and a 5. That means that these 3 boxes, we need a 4 here, 9, 4, and a 6. Well, we have a 4 in this column, so this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. Here should be 7 and a 5, 2. Okay. 9, 9, need a 9 here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 5 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 5 goes there. Then, 1 box left now in this row for the number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Wow. Complicated. And the final 2 numbers in this big row. Numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. Not quite a 0 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. Having troubles because we have a hidden number here. But we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.